Alright guys, it's the next video. I'm back. We're working on making our homepage cooler by adding a profile image, by making a larger header. So what I'm going to tell you about now is how we're going to modify our user collection in the database to have an image. So if you add the property underneath there, you can do image, and we can just say profile image. Why not that? And then we can double click on our image. Okay, double click because it's inside of a group. So by double clicking, you're going deeper inside the group into actually selecting the image. And then what we're going to do, we don't actually have to do, by the way, that background I had underneath there, but I do that for certain purposes when you might have a transparent logo where you want it to show whatever is the background color of whatever it is. That way it won't show on top of a blue screen because that would look kind of funny. So that's why we do that. And also it helps us with alignment, especially if we were to make this image a little bit smaller than the other one, like if we wanted a border. Let's say we wanted a border, so we just a little bit less, right? And then when we run this, if we make the background by choosing the ellipse background, let's make this white. Okay, so now when I run this, watch this. You'll have like a little silhouette actually, because you have no image there. We'll show you in a little bit. When you have a profile image, you have a little silhouette around your image. It makes it look a little bit cooler. All right, so now we're gonna not put an image here through the component directly, but we're going to do it through the database. So we're going to select the component, going to click on the source, we're going to say database, we're going to say logged in user, we're going to say use the logged in user's profile image. But what happens if the user doesn't have a profile image? Maybe we want to show something. So either we can say if there's no image, don't show anything, otherwise show a placeholder image. And a placeholder image is can be like a profile. So you can go to a default profile image. You can say profile image in Google, and then just click on the first one. So I like this one, for example, and then I can just right click on this, save image as. Keeps on the desktop. I already, I don't know, it's called download. I don't want to call it download, but anyways. And then go back into my app and say select show a placeholder image when it doesn't exist, and I called that download. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna sort by date. There's my download image. So by default it's gonna show this if I don't have one. Because I don't have one, because I haven't assigned one to the user, it's gonna do it like that. So watch this. You're gonna see that profile image in the middle there. See that? It's probably too we might want to expand that out. So but you see that this already has its own border, which I don't really like actually. So I might want to go back here, and I might want a rounded one. So I might find a rounded profile image. Now if you know Photoshop, you could do this yourself. For watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Just continue on to the next video, and we'll just continue where we left off. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Awesome.